Okay, I wanted to make a quick video congratulating you on finishing the AP exam. The year is at this point pretty much over, so we've made it. I know it feels different because we're not celebrating in person, but yeah, I hope you found some time to relax, post all these APs, and been able to take a little bit of time to celebrate and appreciate yourself for all the hard work. So, as I said, this is pretty much it. We have no more academic things to do in AP Psychology. The AP exam has happened. You guys did it. I want to quickly show you just an overview of what the last part of the school year will look like because it's a little bit confusing. So we just finished this week. Today in class, all I'm going to ask you to do is a quick reflection on the AP exam, and then I'm going to introduce our final project, which I'll talk more about in the next video. But this project should be super low-key. The purpose is to give you a chance to raise your grade and just to give like something fun to talk about psychology before the end of the year. So I'm super excited for that. This following week, we're going to just be doing the project, which I'll explain more about. Then the first week in June, this is going to be revisions week. So, important thing, I put your final exam grades in jump rope. So your jump rope grade should be updated with the final exam grade. There will be revisions. So your final grade in jump rope is not set in stone. We have a whole week to do revisions on the final exam in June. I just didn't want to do it right now because I figured you guys just wanted a break from thinking about AP exams and looking at AP classrooms. So we will come back to that the week of June 1st. But your grade in jump rope is not set in stone. You will be able to do revisions. So hopefully that makes sense. After that revisions week, that's it. Seniors, you don't have classes this last week, so that will just be juniors, and I have some things in store for the juniors this last week, which I'll let you know more about as the time comes. It's mostly just going to be an opportunity for extra credit and some fun things that I wanted to do this year, but we didn't have time to do. So yeah, really excited for the rest of the year, excited for this project, excited for revisions week to make sure, yeah, we all do super well in the class and end high school strong or end your junior year strong. And then it's all over. The graduation is on 12th, and seniors, you don't have any classes the week, this last week. Okay,